Facebook is ditching real names as Meta shaking up its groups platform and finally letting users post under custom nicknames and avatars instead of being forced to reveal their real identities. This could be the social media shakeup that actually makes Facebook fun again. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. For years, Facebook has insisted on real names for accountability and community trust. But let's be real, anonymity has its perks, and Meta's ready to compromise. Now group members can pick a quirky nickname and even match it with cute avatars, like sunglasses wearing animals while posting. It's like the anonymous post button, and while admins must enable the feature and approve some nicknames. Switching between your real name and alter ego is kinda easy as well. Just remember, your new handle still has to follow Facebook's community standards and terms of service. Meta's trying to make groups more appealing with this feature. In 2024, the company rolled out a tab highlighting local events and, more recently, tools to convert private groups to public ones to draw in fresh members. Nicknames could be the secret ingredient to finally making Facebook groups feel lively and fun again, especially for younger users who've drifted to other platforms. By letting users post under avatars and nicknames, Meta's essentially giving users the freedom to explore, comment, and interact without fear of judgment or your coworkers seeing that late-night meme share. This could breathe new life into the platform, desperate to recapture the social magic of its early days. Facebook groups might not dominate youth culture again, but at least now you can be the tiger with shades you've always wanted to be. Do you have an anonymous avatar already? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.